Everyone, okay, so I've been wanting to make this video for a while, and maybe it'll help someone, maybe it won't. I don't know, but okay, so this is my latest haul I got from Green Fairy Quilts, and it was the typography. You guys, this was 66 bucks. I was like, yeah, I'll do the payments because I wanted this so bad, you guys. And then one of my subscribers, who's a really nice lady, let me know, Janet, that they had it on sale for $88 like a week prior. And I was like, I can't do it. I can't do it. I was like, shoot. And then I guess it was meant to be. And so I was able to buy it for like $68. And I was like, yes, please. So I got all of the, I mean, this is like $152, I think, when it first came out. And I'm like, oh my gosh. So yeah, so I scored. So this is my haul, but I'm going to show you, I got both of them, the neutrals and then the regular line. Oh, I love this so much. I said no more fabric, but you know what? Whatever. I'm going to use it eventually. So I loved it. And if you know anything about my videos, I have to love it in order to buy it. So I loved it. Okay, now these are what I have in my craft room. Let me show you. These are the Brightrooms from Target. They used to be $6 and now they are $7. So not bad at all. I'm going to go up closer. Not bad at all. That is the dimensions of them. Okay. And it is Brightroom. Okay, so this is what I use for my fat quarters. Here, let me show you this also, because I don't do links and everything else. I'm sorry, but I don't remember. So let's see. This is all the information. So hopefully you screenshot it and you can see it. Okay, that's that. Okay, so this is. I'm going to show you how to fold the fat quarters to fit in here. Okay, so because this is how I fold them, and then with this I keep these on there because honestly they're a pain in. I have no nails. I don't have any nails, so I don't bother. And I could use the tweezers to pull it off, but they get butted together and I just don't care. So this is how they should look. They're so perfect in here. You have a little bit of a lip, so it's like perfect. Okay, so I keep the bucket like this, and let's take this one. I'll show you a few times, okay? And then maybe what I'll do is I'll turn off the video. So open it. I'll turn off the video and then show you it filled. Now you're going to have a selvage side. See this selvage side right here? To make it easier on yourself, make the selvage side look at you, okay? Have it look at you, turn it towards you, and now take your other side of your fabric and connect them. So you're going to connect them like this, and then, so now you have it like this, right? Now you're going to take this side that's not the opening, okay? But it doesn't matter. You can turn it, whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm just showing you for demonstration purposes that this side is the closed one, okay? Then you fold it over again and match it up, okay? And then I turn it over. It's like, it's almost like turning white paper over, you know? It doesn't make a difference, but I like doing it, okay? And then, so now you have it folded over, connected to each other, turn it towards you, and then flip it to each other again. Almost like origami, I guess. Now you can have it two ways. You can fold it this way, and that's perfect. It doesn't make a difference, but this will be here, where this is more like frayed area. So I choose to usually turn it where this is closed, right? And I usually face it towards me, and then that way you fold it, and now the frayed side, is that, you know, yeah, like the frayed side, we'll just call it that, is in the middle, and then you turn it and you fold it, and now you have like a taco or lips. Look, it can be lips, see? So there you go. There's your wah rah rah. Okay, and then that's, to me, a better way to do it. That way you're not ripping more of your frayed edges. and then you put it in here like that, and it fits perfectly. So yeah, so let me do it again, okay? Maybe do it a couple times. I mean, why not, right? Okay, so grab your fat quarter, and it's going to look like this, and then open it, and see how you're opening it. I love these colors, you guys. They're just so beautiful. And then open it completely, and you see where your selvage is? Your selvage is over here. So you're going to turn it up so that it faces you, and then you're going to grab your other end, kiss them. They are kissing. I like folding it. I like, you know, smoothing it out. Then you're going to take your side that is not open, kiss it again, smooth it out, flip it, and then see how I did that, and then flip it again like this, pull it towards you, and then half it. 1, 2, then you have your lips. Boop boop. Okay, so and then you put it in your bucket. Okay, did you guys one more time? Okay, let's do it one more time. So open up your fat quarter. Then where's your selvage? Over here now. So then turn it up, and then connect it, kiss it. I love you. You're number one. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, and then together, this one's together. Then kiss it again. Up. I hope it didn't do that this whole entire time. Did it do it this whole entire time? I'm so sorry if it did. I wasn't paying attention. I don't know why it's been acting up so much. So weird. Okay, smooth it out, turn it, and then, I mean, you can do it like this, but let me show you guys. So when you do it like this, your frayed edges will be on the out. I don't prefer that, so I prefer them in. So that's why I flip it and then have it, kiss it again. A lot of kissing happening here. In the middle, frayed in the middle, and then together. Then you have lips that are happy. Okay, so then let me do, well, I don't know. Let me see if I can do the rest, and I'll show you what it looks like in a stack, or maybe I'll just grab another one. Be right back. Okay, guys, I just went and grabbed some more because I don't have the time. There's so many. I got like 3 more done, and I was like, oh my gosh, there's so many. So nope, not happening. So a whole collection will fit in one bin, and they fit perfectly. They're beautiful, and they're just gorgeous. I just love them. So this is how I have them by collection, and then what I end up doing is they end up stacking, because these are stackable. They're their own lid. See, so they stack on their own. Let me see. I put these here. So yeah, I think I have mine 4 deep. So they all stack in there beautifully. They do not stack. Let me show you. They do not stack if you have them, if you just take your fat quarters and the way that they send them and you put them in here, they will fit. See, they fit perfectly. You see how they, and you can get, shoot, you can probably get more collections in there if you left them this way. But if you don't have a lot, you can get more collections in one. But if you have a lot and you want to stack them, you're going to have to fold them this way. So you have to fold them this way and not have them this way. But they do fit if that's what you want also. So yeah, you can always do like however many deep you want. If you go 4 deep, or for example this one, if you go 2 deep and then your last one you're like, I don't care, I only have room for 3, then you can do your last one like this, and that would work too. See, so that would let me scoot you back out. Yeah, that way. Sorry guys, I'm turning you, but let me show you. I'm trying to do it without bashing my fingers and it dropping on me. So you could always have it like that if you want, but I think it looks nicer folded this way. And see how you have it this way instead, and then you have room on each side, whereas this one, that's how much, let me show you, this is how much more, that's how much room it takes up. See that? It has a whole, you know, 2-3 inches above it. All right, so yep, pretty cool. All right, anyways, I hope I helped somebody. I've been wanting to make this video forever, and like I said, I got this from Green Fairy Quilts. I was gonna do a haul video, but I didn't have the time right now, and I really want to get these folded and put away. I'm trying to clean my house. Oh my gosh. Green Fairy Quilts is a legit company. They are amazing. They are not Amazon. You're not going to get your package right away. Not at all. So give them at least 2 weeks. They're very good with emailing you back if you email them. They're a fantastic company. They're a mom and pop shop. You watch all the videos that I get from Green Fairy Quilts and you'll know I have hundreds of fabric from them alone. So yeah. Just to, I mean, all this probably came from them. Well, yeah, no, it did. Because that's usually I buy all my fat quarters and pre-cuts from Green Fairy Quilts only. Everybody else is just way too expensive. And the Green Fairy Quilts has a lot of sales. So sign up for their email because they'll give you first dibs when they do their family discount. And then you get your the family discount above their already discounted prices. So it's like the best bang for your buck. And, you know, if you're not in a hurry and you don't have that much money, they're the way to go. They really are. So, yeah, highly recommend them. They are legit. So, all right, guys. I hope that helps somebody. We'll see y'all, guys. We'll see y'all later. Bye.